Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Aditya Kalia here. I am here to talk about economics module course that we at Sarthi IAS would be launching soon. I am going to be teaching economics in that. It's my first time teaching economics in an online only platform, in an online only mode. I hope all of you are going to like it. I have had more than 10 years of experience. I have mentored multiple people who have gotten through, thankfully, not merely because of me, but because of their efforts also. I would be taking up economics. The subject seems technical. The subject seems, frankly speaking, many students say कि डर लगता है सब्जेक्ट से, कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, सर मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट हूँ, मैं आर्ट्स वाला हूँ, इकोनॉमिक्स समझ में नहीं आती है. My aim would be to ensure, I emphasize this word ensure, my aim would be to ensure ये सब्जेक्ट में आप कंफर्टेबल हो जाओ. कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. जब सब्जेक्ट में किसी भी चीज़ में कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हो तब आप उसको पढ़ना चाहते भी हो और जो चीज़ आप पढ़ते हो सामने देखते हो समझ में आ जाती है, याद भी रह जाती है. और अगर समझ में आ गई, याद रह गई तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव भी पूरा में हो जाएगा, हम सवाल भी सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. तो ये मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि आपको सक्षम बनाया जाए, दैट टू मेक यू केपेबल by helping you to understand things so that you will be able to answer the questions in the exam. That is what my objective over here would be. So I'm starting this course, economics module. This course is relevant for course is starting on 22nd of February. Class notes will be given to you in both English and Hindi. The medium of teaching would be mostly English, but at the same time Hindi as well. So let's call it English. Course will be valid till December 2027. You will be given current affairs support also. You will be given tests as well. The features are, one, obviously, entire economy to be covered from basics to advanced. We'll build foundation, we'll build your strong foundation, and we'll then take it next level forwards in a manner that you are comfortable, and more importantly, you get what you have paid for, what you have invested your time for. We'll cover budget and economic survey, online live sessions for that. You will be given your lecture and class notes. Before we start the batch, you will be given class notes on a weekly or on a 10 days basis. Current affairs coverage will be there completely. Weekly assignments will be given to you. And at the same time, previous year questions, prelims, and sometimes we can practice mains answers also. I'll talk about them also when we deliver the course. So this is the feature of our course. You would have a teacher who has experience in teaching and mentoring not for students. Hopefully, again, my past is good, but my future is what it depends upon how you perceive it, how you take it. I sincerely hope that we'll develop a good bond together, even though you are not in front of me or teaching to a camera. But I sincerely hope we'll be able to connect with each other. Syllabus, हमारा कोर्स के फीचर्स हमारे ये हैं. किसको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए? Frankly speaking, anybody interested in economics, you simply want to learn the subject, you're welcome to join. You would want to learn the subject so that you can apply it somewhere. Somewhere our focus will be UPSC exam. Obviously, you should be able to answer the question in the exam. But don't look at the subject only from exam perspective कि एग्जाम में सवाल सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. एग्जाम में सवाल सॉल्व होना तो एक कॉन्सिक्वेंस है, एक साइड इफेक्ट है. आपको सब्जेक्ट समझ में आ जाएगा. जैसे मैंने बोला स्टार्टिंग में, सब्जेक्ट अगर समझ में आ जाएगा, सब्जेक्ट के साथ कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे तो एग्जाम में सवाल अपने आप सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. और अगर सब्जेक्ट के साथ कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो तो चीज़ें याद करते रह जाओगे. 1 करोड़ चीज़ें याद करने वाली हैं, 1000 भी याद नहीं होंगी. जो याद होंगी उनको भूल जाओगे, फिर उसका आंसर सवाल नहीं कर पाओगे. You must be comfortable with the subject. That is what my objective would be. So yes, specifically speaking, anybody targeting next year 2027 or 2028 should definitely join. You are in second year, first year of college, second year of college, third year of college, you have just passed, you are welcome to join the course. We will go from basics to advanced. You will not feel disconnected. But हाँ, एक चीज़ है, ये नहीं यार कि आप 10th क्लास में और ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. एक बेसिक लेवल ऑफ मैच्योरिटी सब्जेक्ट डिमांड करता है, ये एग्जाम डिमांड करता है. सो लेट्स नॉट थिंक कि हाँ भाई मैं 11th क्लास में हूँ, मेरे को यूपीएससी की तैयारी करनी है, पीछे कर लेता हूँ. आप थोड़ा रिस्ट्रेन करना. लेकिन हाँ, आप फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर में हो, आप बिल्कुल आ सकते हो. एक बेसिक लेवल ऑफ मैच्योरिटी वाला पर्सन बिल्कुल ज्वाइन कर सकता है और करना भी चाहिए. Okay, so those seeking comprehensive coverage of the subject, they should be able to join. They should be joining. First time learners, second time learners, you have given prelims, नहीं समझ में आया था पिछली बार, मेंस आपने दे दिया है और इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहते हो, ज्वाइन कर लो. लेकिन हमारा सिलेबस इन द सेंस, हमारा जो अप्रोच रहेगा वो ये रहेगा, बेसिक टू एडवांस, विल कवर ऑल थिंग्स. Fine. With this, I'll take your leave. Take care. See you soon in this module in this room. All the best. See you soon. Take care.